started with his foreign-injected ADHD HG Belmont, moved on to his naturally aspirated LS Melton Corolla, and then of course we knew him best in the Burnout Masters with his foreign-injected LS Melton Corolla. Of course, Nick was hugely popular in the burnout scene, with over 80,000 likes on his Facebook page. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we want to pay homage to this great young man. Unfortunately, was one of the victims of the black dog that took Nick's life earlier, or in the latter part of 2019. And as I said, he was just 33 years of age. He was a huge advocate for It Ain't Weak to Speak. So ladies and gentlemen, that is our message this afternoon, is hashtag It Ain't Weak to Speak. If you suffer from any kind of heartache, then please, we want you to talk to someone, whether it be friends, family, whether it be a trained professional, you just need to talk. Of course, today we are joined by Nick's family and friends, notably, of course, with his fiancée, Jessie Coleman, and their one-year-old son, Fraser. Of course, he's also got his friends and family from the burnout scene in the Tyre Militia crew. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if you don't know who Nikolas Rigby is, then we are going to show you with a small tribute video. It's a video that we prepared of Nick's inspirational memorial skit at Summernats 29, where he honoured his good mate, Jeffy G. This is Nick Fraser. Nikolas Rigby was in fact scheduled to skid here at the Street Machine Summernats 33 in the Burnout Masters. He qualified by placing second in the Burnout Championship in 2019. I have with me here, of course, one of Nick's great mates, Dane. Dane, you have worked tirelessly along with all of Nick's best mates and friends and family to make it easier, of course, financially and of course emotionally on Nick's family. And you've been hosting a whole lot of events to raise money. Tell us about those events.
We've had multiple car shows, auctions, raffles. We've had a client couple that I'm not going to name has donated a lot of money to start some rides and burnout cars, Sicko and Fear, who unfortunately can't make it. But yeah, look, it's just been a massive effort for everyone, from just donating money and nappies and food and anything just to take the pressure off Jesse and Frey. Because we love you, we love Nico, we love Frey. We'll do anything for you, you know that, and we hope we have shown that to you today. I do also want to thank Andy and the Summernats team for letting us do this here today. This is the biggest day of the calendar in Burnout year, obviously apart from finals tomorrow, so again, Andy for the team, we can't thank you enough. But this really is about Nick at the moment. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. We think it's one of the best skits he did. So this is not my job, but guys, can I have another massive massive round of applause for Nick, please.
Well, from that rousing reception that you so kindly just gave, we now ask for a moment's silence. Ladies and gentlemen, Nikolas Rigby. Ladies and gentlemen, gone! We've never forgotten Nikolas Rigby, actor, Melter. We thank you for your participation. We thank you for your participation. Of course, nothing will always.